Hello, in this video we'll be covering the process of installing Microsoft SQL Server, SQL Server Management Studio, and loading in a couple databases for the purposes of learning SQL. So the next thing we need to do is download the files required for installation. I've downloaded them already and I'm going to link them below, but links can change, so I'm also going to walk through the process of getting them from the internet. So I have here searched Microsoft SQL Server. Let's go ahead and tap Downloads. Scroll down a little bit and you've got a choice between the developer and express version. The express version is limited in a couple of different capacities, so we're actually going to download the developer version. I've already got it downloaded here, so we're good with that. Next thing up is SSMS. That's all you got to search for is SSMS, and this is probably going to be the first link that comes up. Go ahead and click this link right here. And of course, I've also got that downloaded. The next thing to search for is AdventureWorks database. So search that in Google or your preferred search provider. And you're going to be provided with a number of different options. We are just going to go with AdventureWorks 2022 right here under OLTP. The next thing you're going to do to get the other database is open up Worldwide Importers, OLTP, and click Install and Configure here. And tap this link for Worldwide Importers release and download this item right here. And of course, I also have this downloaded. And that's it. We have everything we need. So the first thing we need to install is SQL Server Dev. Let's go ahead and open this guy up right here. And we're going to go with a basic installation. Let's go ahead and install. And this is going to take a little bit of time. So with the magic of video editing, I'm going to go ahead and speed this up a little bit. So now that we've successfully installed the SQL Server Dev, let's go ahead and click Close. And now we're done. So the next thing we're going to install is SSMS. So let's go ahead and open this guy up. Let's go ahead and click Install. And again, I'm going to speed this up a little bit. All right, so it looks like SSMS has been successfully installed. Let's go ahead and close. So before we open up SSMS for the first time, we need to place these database files in a specific place. So let's go ahead and copy them both and then navigate to C, Program Files, Microsoft SQL Server. Let's go to MS SQL 16 SQL Server. We need the MS SQL folder and then go into Backup here. Let's go ahead and paste these guys over here. And the next step is to open up SSMS. So let's go ahead and open up SQL Server Management Studio. Go ahead and connect to your database. It should be the first one populated into that window right there. We installed it using Windows Authentication, so we should be good to connect. So now we open up Databases here and right-click and click Restore Database. Click Device right here, click the three dots button, and then Add. So we are going to first install AdventureWorks. So click that one, hit OK. OK again, and it populates the information for that into the window right here. Let's go ahead and click OK. Look at that, the database is restored successfully. So now we're going to attach the other database to this server. Let's go through the same process. We click that, add. Let's go to Worldwide Importers this time. Click OK. OK again, and it populates the information into that area again. And click OK. This database is a bit bigger, so it's going to take a little bit more time. So now we have both of these databases in SSMS, and we're ready to start learning SQL. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe, and that helps me out for making more videos in the future. Take care.